Hi friends. So today I am going to tell you about Ansible. So this is new topic. Okay. So in Ansible, we are now day to day work. We are also using like a Ansible tool. So this is very useful tool. So like if you are working in any organization, we have a set of server. So Ansible nowadays we are using that to like automate things. Okay, so I will try to show you like a real-time environment. I will cover real-time environments. Okay, so in this Ansible tutorial I will cover how to write playbook, ad-hoc, how to use the ad-hoc command. So what is a Ansible tower. So each and every topic I will cover. So first let me start about the what is a Ansible. Okay, so I have prepared few topics. Okay, so in this first video I'm going to only going to theory part. Okay, so in the next video I will upload the how to set up the Ansible live environment. So I will show you that one, and then we will start to work, because theory little bit we have to know about Ansible, because like when we will start the work, so we should have to understand what is the Ansible and what terminology we are using for the Ansible, kind of things. So basically I will cover the practical part more. Okay, so Ansible, this is a Red Hat product, and then also this is open source. This is open source automate platform. So basically I can say that Ansible is one kind of automation tool, where we can use the automate our infrastructure. Suppose like we have 200 servers, 300 servers, and that 300 servers, that out of 300 servers, 160 servers, that is application servers, and application team need to change one configuration file. So they are asking to add some parameter in application file. So what we have to do, like if we not use any automation tool, then what we have to do, we have to go and log in each and every server, and then we have to change the configuration file, update the configuration file, right? So it will take a long time, right? So work, because 150 200 servers. So for this work reduce, we are using the Ansible. There are many automation tools, Puppet, and Puppet also is one kind of automation tool, but Ansible is I can say this is agentless. No need to install any agent on the client machine. But you using another automation tool, so that you have to install the agent on the client machine, so that client will be transfer data to the remote machine. But in a Ansible case, no need to install any software on the client machine, only one single remote machine. There we have to install Ansible software package. Okay, so through Ansible we can configure the management, application development, and IT orchestration. Okay, so why do we use Ansible? So I told you right earlier. So Ansible is a free and open source, agentless, and Ansible use SSS for the operation. System requirement is very low. Develop is in the Python. So Ansible is basically developed in Python. So Ansible terminology. So when we will work in a practical, once we will start in a practical, right? So I will use this terminology. So this name, so you should have to understand what is these things. So playbook, task, action, handler, factor, host, group, ad-hoc, template, inventory that is also we can calling hosts. Okay, that also I have mentioned here. Okay, fine. So library, notify, orchestration, push mode, pull mode, role, when. So these are the Ansible terminology. So when when we will start the, hence will write the playbook, like when you use the run the ad-hoc command. So in that time we will use this, terminology. So I will explain you when you will use this terminology. So in that time, particular time, I will explain you. So like, so what is a playbook, what is a task, so like, when we will write the playbook is nothing like set up task, in a one file, that is your YAML file. So like that's a hosts. So host is that inventory file. Inventory is nothing, is a setup of the your client machine. List of the client machine we are adding in that inventory file. So hence we're going to read that inventory file. So yeah, that's it. So like I will explain you like this terminology in when we will write. We will use the practical, right? So in the next video, I am going to show you how to set up the Ansible lab, and then next video, like we will start Ansible practical. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel, share, like, comment. Thank you.